Why lentil sprouts are beneficial for your health. Are you looking for a nutrient-rich food that can support your health and well-being? Look no further than lentil sprouts. Lentil sprouts are packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your body in many ways. In this video, we'll explore the nutritional benefits of lentil sprouts and why they are a great addition to your diet. Protein. Lentil sprouts are an excellent source of plant-based protein. They contain all of the essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. Fiber. Lentil sprouts are also high in fiber, which can help regulate digestion, lower cholesterol levels, and promote feelings of fullness. Vitamins. Lentil sprouts are rich in vitamins, including vitamin C, folate, and vitamin K. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can help support the immune system, while folate is important for cell growth and development. Vitamin K plays a role in blood clotting and bone health. Minerals. Lentil sprouts are a good source of minerals such as iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. Iron is important for oxygen transport in the body, while magnesium is essential for muscle and nerve function. Phosphorus is important for bone health. Anti-Nutritionals. During sprouting, the levels of phytic acid and tannins in lentils can decrease due to enzymatic activity. Phytic acid can bind to minerals like calcium, iron, and zinc, which makes them less available for absorption. However, when lentils are sprouted, the phytic acid is broken down into simpler forms that are more easily absorbed by the body. Similarly, tannins can interfere with protein digestion, but sprouting can reduce their levels and make the protein more available. Overall, sprouting can help to increase the nutrient bioavailability in lentils and reduce the impact of anti-nutrients. However, it's worth noting that some anti-nutrients can still remain after sprouting, and the levels can vary depending on the lentil variety and sprouting conditions. In summary, lentil sprouts are a versatile and nutritious food that can support your health in many ways. They are rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and can help regulate digestion, support the immune system, and promote bone health. By sprouting lentils, you can also reduce the levels of anti-nutrients and increase the bioavailability of nutrients. At Sinonin Biotech, we understand plant protein functionality and how to apply them in meat alternatives. If you wish to formulate with lentils, talk to us. We shall help you on the formulation and validation strategies to deliver a nutritionally compliant and wholesome human or pet food, meat alternatives. Contact us today.